In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively set up, create, and optimize a successful ad campaign using Ads Manager, focusing on promoting forever living products. This guide will provide you with all the necessary steps to get started and fine-tune your campaign for maximum impact. Let's begin with setting up your campaign. The first step is to access the Ads Manager. This tool is essential for creating and managing all your ad campaigns. Once you've logged in, you'll need to choose your campaign's objective. Selecting the right purpose is crucial because it defines what you hope to achieve, whether it's generating more leads, driving additional traffic, or increasing sales. Following this, you need to define your audience. Targeting is key to reaching potential customers who are interested in health, skincare, wellness, or business opportunities. It's a good idea to also include people who have shown interest in forever living products or their specific offerings. Another important aspect is setting your budget. Determine how much you want to spend on your campaign. Ads Manager allows you to set either a daily or a lifetime budget, giving you flexibility depending on your current financial strategy. Now it's time to pick your placements. This means deciding where you want your ads to appear, such as on Facebook and Instagram, to maximize the visibility of your campaign. Then consider the ad format you'll use. You have several options available, including images, videos, or carousels. Whichever you choose, make sure your visuals are high quality and your copy is engaging and compelling to capture your audience's attention. With your campaign set up, let's move on to creating compelling ads. Start by promoting the products and benefits offered by Forever Living. Make posts, reels, and stories that spotlight their health, wellness, and aloe vera-based products. Using testimonials and sharing personal experiences can help in building trust with your audience. To further create engagement, focus on building your personal brand. Position yourself as a wellness and business expert by sharing educational content, going live, and running Q&A sessions. In addition to promoting products, consider recruiting and training new members. Develop campaigns that highlight the business opportunity at Forever Living. Sharing success stories can be immensely motivational, and offering online training sessions is a great way to provide resources to your team. Maintaining an authentic approach is vital. In a world filled with AI-generated content, genuine human-centered material can truly stand out. Always remember to include compelling calls to action. This could encourage viewers to learn more, sign up, or even join your team. Finally, it's important to optimize your campaign for the best results. Start by using the Metapixel. This tool tracks conversions and allows you to retarget users who have shown an interest in your products or business opportunities. Testing and refining is also crucial. Experiment with different ad creatives, headlines, and copy to see what works best for your audience. Regularly review and tweak your budget, reallocating it towards the best performing ads. Keep a close watch on key metrics that align with your goals, such as click-through rate, conversion rate, and return on ad spend. Building a full sales funnel is essential to guide potential customers from their initial interest to making a purchase or signing up. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to running a successful ad campaign that not only promotes Forever Living products effectively, but also attracts and engages your target audience.